Assalamu alaikum, hello and marhaba to all of you. Today we made here crispy potato sticks with garlic cheese sauce in a new style. Hope you like this recipe. To get this recipe, watch the full video and enjoy. So for potato sticks, I'm gonna take 1 kg of potato which is boiled. So now all the potatoes are mashed here. Now I'm gonna add cornstarch. It's about 50 grams. Salt 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon sugar. So now we have to mix it very well. Now we have mixed it. I have oiled all the tray here. Now we will transfer the potatoes here. Now we have to spread it evenly. Make sure to spread it evenly from every corner, like this. After spreading it evenly from every corner, now I'm gonna freeze it for 10 to 20 minutes. After freezing it, now I have cut these things in like this. With the help of any straight thing you can cut this, and now like this. You can make these in this shape, in a potato fry shape, then fry it. Fry it on a medium flame. Fry this until it gets golden brown, like this. It will get brown and crispy and crunchy, and they all are in same sizes. Share this recipe and make this in your home and tell your experience in the comment section. So now our crispy potato sticks are ready with the garlic cheese sauce. Make this in your home and have fun with your family. You can see the texture of this. This is really so crispy and crunchy. And so good in taste. Make this in your home and let me know your experience in the comment section below. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. So here's a small tip for you. Don't freeze it to store it, otherwise it will get D-shaped and it won't be able to fry.